we will study the EVS subject. So everyone open your page number 48, chapter number 10, food we eat. Now children, here is an activity for you all. What are the Yash and its friend doing in the picture below? Now let us see. The 4 pictures are given. You can see that this Yash, he is eating his breakfast. This one is also breakfast, eating with his friend. Then here the girl, she is eating lunch. And the last picture is about dinner. Now these are the different meals of the day. So let us start our chapter. We all need food and water to live. So these 2 things are very important for us. Good food helps us to grow. It gives us energy to work and play. It makes us strong and healthy. Now children, if you will eat the food, then only you will have the power to do the work and to play. So if you will eat food, then you will stay strong and healthy. Meals we eat. Most of us eat 3 meals a day. As we already saw in the picture, breakfast, lunch and dinner. We eat breakfast in the morning. So breakfast is called the first meal of the day. And lunch in the afternoon. So lunch we eat in the middle of the day. We eat dinner in the evening. And dinner is a last meal of the day. We should try and eat our meals on time. If we will not eat on time, then we will not be healthy. Now, next topic is food we eat. We eat different kinds of food. The food that we eat should be fresh and well cooked. We should not eat the stale food. Stale means the food which is kept for the longer time and which is not healthy for our body. Fruits and vegetables should be washed well before eating. Now children, whenever you eat the fruits, you should always wash it and then only you should eat. Some food like fruits can be eaten raw without being cooked. We should drink milk every day. You all know that milk is very good for the health. Many foods like curd, butter, ghee, paneer and cheese are made from the milk. So they are known as milk products. Now children, you already know that curd, butter, paneer, ghee and cheese, this all the things are made from the milk. So they are known as milk products because they are made from the milk. See, the ghee is given here picture. Fruits, cheese, butter and vegetables. We get our food from both plants and animals. We get fruits, vegetables and grains like wheat and rice from the plants. Milk and milk products, eggs and meat come from the animals. Our values: we should not throw or waste the food. We should eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Why should we eat? Because it is very healthy for our body. It protects us from disease also. It protects us from sickness also. We should not eat fruits which have been cut and left for the long time. They can be unhealthy. So whenever you cut the fruit, that time only you eat it. Don't keep for the longer time because it is not healthy for your health.